you guys. You know who this is, and you know what time it is. But I'll go ahead and say it again. This is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Barbecue Sweets Online. I'm sorry that I was delayed in putting a video up last week. I usually try to do it every Sunday. So this Saturday I'm doing it, and then I hope to do another one tomorrow on Father's Day. So I hope you guys are getting ready for Father's Day. I'm going to give you a breakfast menu item that I think your father would love. Okay, let's get rocking. What I'm going to make today is peach cobbler muffins. Yes, I said peach cobbler muffins. Okay, so to this bowl right here, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3/4 cups of sugar. Okay, and into this mixture, one thing so wonderful about this mixture, you don't need to take out any mixer, whether it's your food, KitchenAid or the hand mixer. Everything you're going to do, you're going to whisk. So we're just going to whisk this together. Just so. Okay. We're done with this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add in this bowl right here, I have 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, 3/4 cup of vanilla, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of peach extract. Okay, and we're just going to whisk this together. You see that? And then we're just going to pour it into this dry mixture. And all we're going to do is whisk this together. You know, I was thinking about Father's Day, and it made me come back to memories of my dad. You know, it's wonderful when you can look back on memories and know that you had a great father. You know, from birth on, I had a great dad. And I really do miss him. I mean, he's been gone now probably like 20-something years. But still on Father's Day, I think about him. Okay, so here is your batter right here. You see how that is? And what we're going to add to this is 1/2 cup of diced frozen peaches. I tried to use fresh, but they didn't ripen quick enough for me to use them in this ingredient, so I just used the frozen. So we're just going to pour that in there, and then we're going to stir. And I know you're probably saying, wow, that's not a lot of peaches, but you're going to find out why I didn't put as many peaches in the batter. I sound like I'm trying to get taut-tongue, you guys. Okay, this is mixed well. Let me get the peaches out of here. And now we're going to put them in a muffin tin. Also, preheat your oven to 350 for this batter here. Okay. Okay, here I have a 12-count muffin pan. I'm hoping this batter will fill all 12 cups. Not for sure, but we'll give it a try. And to try to do precise measurements, I'm going to take 1/4 cup of a measuring cup to do the batter. So let's just see how that works out. And try to make sure that you get a peach in every... Wow, I think that's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to have to get a spoon, you guys, because some of this is sticking. Okay. There you go. Now let's do another 4th cup. Maybe I can make this go a little faster. And you're going to bake these 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you check it at 25 minutes. And always remember, everybody's oven temperature varies. So if you're not for sure if they're done, take a toothpick and stick it in the center. And if it comes out clean, then you're good to go. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of these, you guys, and I'll come back and show you the baked muffins. Thank you. Stay connected. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the filling that's going into the peach cobbler muffins. Here I have 1 16-ounce of frozen peaches. I did 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of nutmeg. The reason I decreased the sugar is because you don't want your filling too sweet with your muffins. But you're going to cook this on medium heat until it's nice and thick. I will come back and show you guys the finished product of the filling. Stay connected. Okay, you guys, this is what you're looking for in your filling for your peach muffins. You see how thick it is? That's how you want it. I also took a potato masher and I mashed down the peaches so you can see, but you still want some, you know, pretty nice chunks. Okay, we're finished with the filling. Now we just have to stuff the muffins. Stay connected. Hey, you guys. Shh. We're back. And these are the muffins. They turn out wonderful. And I know you're wondering, okay, why do they have holes in them? Okay, I said we are doing peach cobbler muffins. So let me show you. Let me first make a correction. I think I said 1/4 cup of buttermilk. You have to use 1 cup of buttermilk. I stated 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Please use only 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, let's finish these muffins up. So what you're going to do, it took 25 minutes for these muffins to be done. I let them cool for about 15 minutes, and I want to put a hole in the center because I'm going to fill them with the peach cobbler mixture. So what you're going to do, just take you a sharp knife and go around the center of them because you want a hole. And just pull this out. Okay? I mean, you can keep it and then you're just going to take this knife and go in because you want a deep well. Okay, let's do this next one. Go around the center of it. You don't want a real big hole, just enough to where you can put your filling in. Okay, let's take this out. And then let's just, okay, put that in. Okay, here is the peach cobbler filling. I tried to do it with a tip, but because the peaches, I didn't puree them, I still wanted them kind of chunky. It was hard to get out. So I just put them in a piping bag and just filled it up. And whenever you're doing a piping bag, always make sure that you twist it and hold it like this. So we're going to go into each hole and fill it. You see that? And you want it full now. Okay, let's do this one. And make sure you start at the bottom because you want this peach cobbler filling throughout. Okay, this one act like you don't want. Okay, let's do this one.
So if people don't have piping bags, what else can they use?
You can use a spoon. Just get your spoon and put it in there. You're right, a lot of people don't. Or you can actually use a Ziploc bag, fill it up, and cut the tip of it off and just squeeze it in. So let's do this one. Now this is going to be Dad's breakfast muffins. You know, get him something started. And make him a nice cup of coffee, tea, whatever he likes. And, you know, make his day special. If he's really been a good father,
I love how you threw that part in.
no limits, you know. Just go. Okay. Oh, I think I have enough too. Wow. Okay, I'm going to fill this last one. I'm going to decorate it and come back and show you guys the wonderful finished product of these peach cobbler muffins. Stay connected. And we're done. Okay, you guys, here is the finished product of the peach cobbler muffins. Now, you know you can't have peach cobbler without crust, right? So what I did, you can just use a store-bought crust, roll it out, cut it into thin strips, and I just did a cross. You could actually do circles. Just put some crust on there so we know we're eating a peach cobbler muffins. So to all the fathers out there who have stepped up to be a father, thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day tomorrow. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And please hit the notification button so you will know when I'm posting new videos. Again, thank you. I hope everyone have a blessed day and stay connected. Until next time, God bless you.